Hello my dear followers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare with you a very easy dessert. It's the cream puffs. And I will leave the ingredients at the description box like always. This dessert is very easy and it's so delicious. You will need to preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit. And I just want to say thank you for all the subscriptions and all the comments and the likes. I really appreciate it. So in a saucepan, combine the water, the butter, and the salt. And once it starts boiling, add the flour and mix very quickly. And now that the mixture started boiling, I will add the flour and I will mix vigorously and quickly until it forms a ball. As you see, I turned off the heat, but I kept on mixing, because once you stop mixing it will stick to the bottom of the pan. So keep mixing until it forms a nice ball and let it sit for 10 minutes to cool down. After 10 minutes, I will start adding the eggs one by one and mixing with a wooden spoon until the egg is well incorporated with the mixture. After adding all the eggs, you will get a mixture just like the one I'm showing here. Very creamy. Before I transfer the dough to the baking sheet, I put a piece of parchment paper. You can grease the pan as well. And then using a tablespoon or an ice cream scoop, I will drop 12 little balls onto the pan, onto the baking sheet. They don't have to be perfectly shaped. Make sure you keep a good distance between each scoop so they don't stick to each other after they rise in the oven. And then I will bake them in a 400 Fahrenheit oven for 30 to 35 minutes until golden brown. After taking them out of the oven, let them completely cool down. And to prepare the cream, you'll need a stand mixer or a hand mixer for this step. Into the stand mixer bowl, I add 1 cup of whipping cream, sugar, and then vanilla. And on a high speed, I will mix it until the cream becomes smooth and nice. And to fill the puffs, I will cut small holes from the top and remove them. And in a Ziploc, I will add the whipped cream that I already prepared and chilled in the fridge. And cut the tip like you will see, and then fill the puffs with the cream. And finally, I will decorate with some chocolate vermicelli. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share. Thank you for watching, and until I see you in the next video, bon appétit!